Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted a cleaner look on your WordPress blog, maybe something more professional or minimalist, you might want to hide the author and date details from your posts. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to quickly and safely remove author and date info from your WordPress posts using the site editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control what readers see, all without touching a single line of code. Whether you're using a modern theme like 2025 or anything built for the block editor, this approach will save you time and frustration. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, look for that familiar Appearance tab and click on Editor. If you haven't explored this area yet, don't worry, the site editor gives you a live preview and makes things pretty intuitive. We're not editing individual posts here, we're changing the underlying template that all your posts use, so you only need to do this once and it'll apply everywhere. Once the editor loads, you'll see a list of templates on the left. These templates are like blueprints for your site. They control how your posts, pages, and archives look. Find the one that says Templates. Give that a click and then notice the little gear icon. This is where you access even more options for your templates. Go ahead and click the gear, taking a moment to get familiar with these controls. Now in the View options, look for where it says Author. This is typically a block within the template that adds the author's name to each post. Selecting it brings up a neat little menu and you'll see the option to review your changes. Here's a helpful tip. When you click to remove the author, WordPress will usually prompt you to review one change. That's just the system double-checking before anything is erased. Click this, take a quick look. This is your chance to make sure you're just removing the author and nothing else important. If everything looks good, click Save. Just like that, you've told your template to stop showing author details across all your posts. It's a small step, but it really cleans up the visuals, especially if your blog is a team effort or if authorship isn't important for your readers. Next, let's tidy up the date info. Sometimes dates are useful, say for news blogs, but for timeless content like tutorials or reviews, they can be distracting or even misleading over time. To remove the date, you'll want to click the three dots, sometimes called the More Options menu, usually found at the top right or in the block toolbar. Choose Edit from the dropdown. Then scroll through the template and find the block or text displaying the date. Hover over it until it's selected. WordPress makes it pretty clear, but if you're unsure, the date should highlight as you click around. Once you find it, simply hit the Delete key on your keyboard. Don't worry if you accidentally select the wrong block. The Undo button is always there as a safety net, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you've got a sleek blog post layout with no author or distracting date info cluttering things up. These small tweaks add up to a big impact, letting your content shine. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Got questions, or did you run into something quirky with your theme? Drop your experiences in the comments. I love helping out. And if you want more WordPress tips backed by real-world experience, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.